In honor of the wildlife that makes our vineyards and the habitats around them home, we give you a range of wines we call Vineyard Friends. Vineyard Friends reflects our love and our respect for nature, for we see it as our responsibility to work with nature in ways that preserve our natural heritage, our bountiful fynbos, and our beautiful fauna, indigenous animals who love their vineyards as much as we do. And that's why we're driven to make wines that can be enjoyed today and tomorrow for generations still to come.